Hi, this is Sushmita, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the identity federations. So what is identity federations? Identity federation is a method that allows user to access multiple application or services using single trusted identity. So let's recall what is identity, what is authentication, what is single sign-on, why do organizations avoid managing separate logins. So what is here? So while identity federation is a single sign-on principle, so it allows a multiple system to trust a central identity sources. So user can access many services with one login. So instead of creating a separate username and password for every system, the user logs in once without a trusted provider, and the identity is shared securely across other applications. Topics for discussion: identity federations, identity provider, service provider, trust relationship, federation protocols, benefits and use cases. Identity federations. So identity federation means sharing identity informations between multiple systems that trust each other. It allows a user to authenticate with one systems like Google and then access the other application like Zoom or Coursera without logging in again. So it builds trust between the two major parties. First one, identity provider, and other one is identity service provider. So identity provider, the one who verifies the user, and service provider, the one who provides the service. Identity provider and services. So here the identity provider, that is stores user credential, authenticates user, issues identity tokens. This is user is verified it. So the service provider, for example, identity provider example, Google, Microsoft, Facebook and Amazon. And service provider provides access to create a service. So this is application the user want to access. It trusts the token sent by the IDP. Provides access to service, accept token from IDP, does not store password. Example, Zoom, Coursera, then Spotify. How federation works? So user clicks login with Google on a website. That is single service provider. So the website redirect the user to Google. Google authenticates the user. Google sends a secure identity token back to the service provider. So the service provider gives the user access without asking for a password. So this process is secure because the password is never shared with the service provider. So why it's identity federation important? So the convenience for user. So only one login is needed. Less password fatigue, then faster access to apps. Second one, security for organization. No password stored on multiple systems, confidentially controlled. Centralized control, easy account management, widely used everywhere. So here, login with Google, login with Microsoft, login with Facebook. That's all example of the federations. So common protocol used, that is SAML, that is security assertion markup language, then OAuth that is OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect. This protocol make sure identity is shared in a safe and in an interoperable way. So here the summary, let's summarize federation. So the identity federation allows a user to authenticate once a once with a trusted identity provider and access multiple service provider without separate logins. So it improves the user convenience, reduce passwords risk, and simplifies access management. So this is trusted sharing identities and handle logins. Service provider accept identity taken. Then protocol security and interoperability. So the mind map, identity federation, then curiosity challenge. If you log in with Google for 10 apps, what happens if user Google password changes? Assessment quiz. What is identity federation? Who authenticates the user, IdP or SP? Give 2 examples of federation protocols. What is the benefit of not sharing password with the service provider? Name one real world IdP and service path. References. Thank you.